come on, turn a little faster. Come on, come on, the world will follow after. Come on, because everybody's after love. So I said I'm a snowball running down into the spring that's coming. All this love melting under blue skies, belting out sunlight, shimmering love.
I've always thought that men were slime, and every guy I've met has proved me right, until tonight. Just when I thought I had it figured, that life's a game you cannot win, he comes in and changes all the rules. What I've been taught, I learned the hard way, that life and love are never just. And if you trust, you're just one of the fools. And now I can't believe my heart is saying don't resist him, that I've been on my guard too long. I can't believe my heart surrendered when I kissed him and told me all I thought I knew, as sad but true, is wrong. If life is worth the disappointment, I hadn't seen one reason yet, until I met the boy who smiles for free. Upon this earth, there's no one like him. He sees the girl I long to be, making even me believe in me. And